Hi everyone, Martin here from martinsmayhem.blogspot.com. I hope you are well. So today I'm going to be showing you the tag that you can see here. However, as you can see, there's a little some extra going on in the background. But to start with, I'll tell you we are using the Wishing You Well stamp set, which is available in the Autumn Winter catalogue. So please contact me if you wish to purchase this stamp set. Very versatile, and I think this is my most used stamp set from the Autumn Winter catalogue. So shall we get started? So as you can see, I've handmade some wrapping paper, and just so you can have a closer look, I just did a little bit of stamping all over, and I've gone in with a marker just to do the red dots, like so. And this was actually the inspiration for the tag, because you know we have to have everything coordinating, but the tag has a little extra bling with the real red rhinestones, as you can see, and it's perfect just to personalise with somebody's name. So move that out of the way. So for the tag we are using very vanilla cardstock, and the reason why I'm using very vanilla is just purely because the paper that I've used is a white. It's IKEA roll paper which I've used, as it's just perfect for this, and it's so tactile, it feels nice, and it's just super pretty with the pattern on. So shall we get stamping? So I'm going to bring in the reef stamp, and I'm going to be stamping that in Spaded Spruce, like so. And just put that in the middle of the card, like so. Then that could be moved out of the way completely. And then what we are going to do, because for the sake of yourselves, I'm not going to stamp somebody's name on. I'm going to do it with just Season's Greetings from that stamp set. But for the little stars, this is available in the beautiful Baubles stamp set, and it's just a cute little flourish. And I'm stamping this in Sahara Sand, and I'm just stamping off and then on, just around the outside, just to give a little something else. To the tag. So hopefully I'm nearly done. Like so. So before I take that away, as you can see, I've just got Season's Greetings there, and I'm just going to stamp that into the middle, like so. And there you have it. So move that out of the way. And my pads. So as I said, you can personalise the stamp set, the tag, and I did use the brushwork alphabet just to write the name, and I think I'll be using this for my other tags that I'm going to be giving out at Christmas. But what I'm going to do, just to finish it off, is I'm going to take some real red rhinestones and just dot them in almost like a zigzag pattern. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on. Now you can clearly tell I like my friends because of how many rhinestones I'm using, and how you can see, like, anybody receiving this would be thrilled and over the moon to know that not only have I got a beautiful tag made by yourself, but they also get handmade wrapping paper that coordinates. So I'm just bringing in my 3/4 inch hole punch, and I've just got some red satin ribbon, which I'm just going to feed through the hole, like so. And then that's available to attach to the present. So as you can see, I've found some random boxes just to wrap up to show off my beautiful wrapping paper. But how pleased would you be to receive a hand stamped parcel as such? And it's super quick and easy. You can sit there in front of the TV doing it. It's that simple. So all the products used in today's video are available below in the description bar. Why not pop down there to have a full wonder? And while you're down there, why not like, comment and subscribe to my channel and share to your social media. That way everybody can see how quick and easy it is to make a beautiful tag like this and easily change it up into wrapping paper. I will see you around. Bye.